Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with just a little quick project share that I made with some leftover scraps. And I grabbed a piece of paper. I used the remnants of this. I already used up the 6x6 paper pad. Only thing I have left in here is the sticker sheet and the alpha sheet. Yeah, boom. So I used up some bits and bobs left over. And I was looking, I said, what can I use? Had made, and this was one of my dies that I hadn't used, so I said, let me go ahead and use this die. And so I cut up my 12x12 sheets to make this. So this is the wraparound that you use, the wraparound die for the cup sleeve. So you just have to run this through twice, because you have to cut the back piece 2 times. Sorry about that glare. The Sizzix number is 662777, and it is called, the actual name, Sleeve Coffee Cup. So it is a Biggs die made. Okay, avalanche. ATG gonna fail over. It is a thick die, so this will fit in your cutter bug. You just use 2 B plates. You don't need your adapter plate. Anyway, so, or you can do the other machines, just use the embossing plates, but don't use your cutting plates. But the neat thing about steel rule dies is they can cut different materials. So this can be cut out of cardstock, it can be cut out of mat board, it can be cut out of felt, fabric, so different things. So you can use a lot of different things to cut this out with. So it would be even cool to try. I'm sorry, my computer. Like you can see here, they use some felt, and so this person stitched on it and used the felt flowers and stuff on it, because there are some flowers on this die as well. Of course, you can see I got it from Tuesday morning last year and hadn't used it, so decided to use it. So I just, like I said, I work with the scraps and some of the cut parts, and I just added some gold thread and some of the bling that I had. Everything is completely from the Chamel paper line, which is Glitter Girl. So these are all Glitter Girl stickers and cut parts. So you'll see that. And again, quick and simple, using what was left over in my stash, just to use it up, because I was really killing that paper pad. So that's that one. And again, you can slip it into your coffee, and see the back has 2 pieces and the front has 1 piece. So that's a snap. Sparkle it up, and it's a little ice cream cone and some gold thread and a little heart bling. I forgot this little green doll that I cut in half, and I cut that out. That was a quick cuts die, and of course from Tuesday morning. And then here's some gold thread, a coffee cup, and it says less glitter, I'm sorry, less bitter, more glitter. Can't read. I don't know what this is. Looks terrible. This is not much better, but I think you can see the details a little bit better. And I hope you guys are doing well during our country, the state of, chaos. But this is a place we just come in here to relax, de-stress, breathe, pray. This says make your dreams real. And I added one of the sticker stars, and then 2 of the glittered enamel dot stars there. And again, very simple. Not all embellished, but just enough just to put something on. Again, using up my scraps, making the most of it. So that's one of the flowers I cut out with it. And I just put one of the glittered bling on it. And here's some more cut parts and some more gold thread. And this one says, think positive. You are super. This one I did use another punch that says hello, EK Success, hello punch. And those stars and enamel darts are from the collection as well. And that hexagon is a Fisker's punch. And then this says you can change the world. There's a little bit of washi in the back, which is their washi that came with the collection. Enamel dots, the gold thread, and the other half of that green little tiny doily that I cut in half. So again, very quick little project. A good way to use up your scraps when you don't have a lot of paper left. This is about 3 inches, and it's about what, 10 inches. So if you have that kind of strip, Easy to make, easy to do, quick to put together, and you can just put whatever on it. You don't even have to decorate them, but you can. And again, you can use multiple materials to cut these out and to decorate, and you can give them as a package. You can put people's names on it. You can do all kinds of stuff on it. So be creative. This was just to give you some ideas how to use your scraps up to finish off the paper pad. So yay, I finished off 2 paper pads. 1 month is March, so I finished off 2 paper pads. That's big for me. That's soon early in the year, so yay, I'm excited about that. So both of them were the same paper line, but nonetheless, it is done, so yay. So anyway, I just wanted to come on and share that and de-stress from watching the news and doing something fun and creative. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I pray everybody is safe and everybody is de-stressing and take some time away from watching all the news. You have to give yourself time to breathe. It's good mental health to step back and to do other things. Don't let this consume you. But anyway, God bless, love you, and take care. And I dare you to be creative.